Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and the bathroom can be a yucky place, but there are ways to elevate your bathroom, and one of those ways is by using this beautiful toilet paper holder from Linkaa. Now, we chose to go with the oil rubbed bronze version to match the rest of the items in the bathroom, and I was blown away at the amazing quality of this toilet paper holder. Not only is it super durable and extremely stable, but it's absolutely beautiful to look at. I love the unique design of it. It has a really nice top holder shelf, which measures about 7 inches by a little bit over 4 inches. This shelf is the perfect solution for holding your phone if you're using the restroom, or adding a little decoration to your bathroom too. It is extremely versatile. Now, what I really like about the design of this too is that the shelf itself has beautiful rounded corners, and it even has just a little lip around the edge, which protects items from falling off if you do use it for your phone. The oil rubbed bronze is truly a stunning color. I love that on the top ledge, if you look closely at the edges, you can just see that stunning bronze coppery color shining through, which adds just a beautiful touch to this toilet paper holder. The toilet paper bar itself does have a really nice little hook at the end too, which helps to keep our toilet paper roll on there really nice and secure when you're trying to use it. With the simple 2-screw installation, this was ready to be used within just a couple minutes. If you're looking to elevate your bathroom, then definitely check out this toilet paper holder from Linkaa, and that's my point of view.